Hello everyone, welcome to Chef in Progress. Chef in Progress is a food recipe recommender application which considers existing kitchen inventory of the user while also tracking the nutritional intake of the user based on the dish he or she consumed. You can add items from our list manually, or you can simply scan your receipts from the supermarket. We will recognize them and add them to your inventory. Now you can see all the ingredients you have in the fridge with a glance. The app allows you to put the items in your shopping list, so whenever you go to supermarket, you can refer to that and buy those. It will tell you what you can cook with all the ingredients you already have. For the people who want to keep fit and lose weight, you can check and track your daily intake of fat, carbohydrates, and protein from your profile. You can either search the recipe you want in the search bar, or Chef in Progress will recommend you the recipe based on your inventory. After you create a profile, Chef in Progress will do all the work for you. And the app will take care of your favorites, inventory, and shopping list for you, even after you switch your devices, because all the information is stored in the cloud. Now try Chef in Progress, a full-time babysitter for your kitchen and fridge.